Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, meth, F, prop, but, pent, hex. Right? So what you have to understand is that carbon requires 4 bonds. Always. Yeah. When we are drawing carbon-based molecules, every carbon you draw has to have 4 bonds. If it doesn't, then it's wrong. Okay? So you need to be able to count the bonds that are attached to carbons. So let's look at a really, really easy chemical. We'll look at eth, E-T-H, eth. We'll look at ethane, okay? Or, yeah, we'll look at ethane. Because there's a number of different ways you can draw it. We'll go with the easiest way first, and then we'll condense it. So, ethane has 2 carbons, so we start with 2 carbons, right? And bond them together. Ethane comes from the group of chemicals called the alkanes. They're made of carbon and hydrogen, and that's it. Alkanes. Right? And they follow a general formula of C to the N H to the 2N plus 2. Get out of it. So what that means is, if we have 1 carbon, C1, for the H's we have 2 times 1 plus 2. 2 times 1 plus 2, which is what?
3.
2 times 1 plus 2. 4. So we have C1H4. Right. If we have 2 carbons, we get C2, we have H2 times 2 plus 2, which is 6. So we get C2, H6. 3 we get C2H8, 4 we get C4H10, C5H12, C6H14, so on and so on and so on. Okay? It's a quick way to work out how many you've got, or you can just remember that carbon has to have 4 bonds. So it's already got 1, so it needs 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now they've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds. Happy days. This is hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. This is called ethane. C2H6. Structural formula is where you write every atom and you draw every bond. The next type of formula is called the condensed structural formula. Okay, and this is where we don't have to actually draw the bonds. Okay, if we're not drawing the bonds here, we could write that as CH3. CH3. Yeah? And then we could write that as CH3. If you want it to be even lazier, right, to do what you call a skeletal formula, we don't write anything. We just draw the bond. ultimate form of laziness. It's classic. How can we make drawing organic chemicals as simple as possible? We'll draw nothing. We'll just draw bonds. Standard chemists.
All right.
Okay. So if we up it and we go to the next chemical, propane. Right? Propane's C3, right? 3 carbons. Right? So we draw 3 carbons for our first structure. And then we're going to fill the hydrogens in around those carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. We check we know it's right because everyone's got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? H, 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 H. C3H8. That is our structural formula for propane. If we want to condense it down like this, CH3, okay? What have we got there? CH3. Yeah? What about there? And this one in the middle though?
CH2.
CH2. So we can go CH3, CH2, CH3, like that. As a condensed version of it. If you want to be a bit lazy, you can actually here write without the bonds. That's another way of doing that. Okay, as a skeletal formula, we don't write these, we just write the bonds. So here we're going to have like that. But they need to be the same length.